Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very special and powerful video. In this video, people have commented a lot and they have asked us that we should make a video which shows immediate results. And people somehow they are more or less confused that how do we know that we have got the results. So looking at all these conditions and considering all the aspects, we have brought a very powerful video. With the help of this video, you will be able to see the results of the spell immediately. You need not to go anywhere, need not to call anyone, you need not to ask anyone to eat anything. She has to herself come to you and confess sexual, private and positive feelings for you. If you have read this powerful spell effectively and carefully, and while reading this spell, if she has called you, then it is 100% sure that she has got exotic and she will call you at her place to satisfy her needs, to do something with you and to be with you. And the best part of this spell is that it does not harm anyone, does not create any kind of a negative aspect or negative impact on anyone. Now before getting into this, I would like to clarify you certain points which are there in front of you right now. I hope everyone is able to see them properly. So what you will do, you are going to cast this spell in the evening time between 6 and 9, right? And after bath, that once you have taken the bath, you are going to cast this spell. There is a pre-vital or a very important point is written which is known as pressure point. Now what does this mean? I'll explain you. So what you will do, it's a powerful Japanese mantra which has been explicitly brought up for you. Pressure point means your private part. If you are a male, with the index finger, right, this finger, once you have chanted this spell, Sakusu, Sakusu, Sakusu 3 times. Sakusu, 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 Watashi Okanu. Sakusu, 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 Watashi Okanu. You will press your private part with this index finger 1 time. If you're a male or a female, it doesn't matter, you will use your index finger. Right? You will do it 303 times. 303 times. In between, while doing this, if she or he calls you and you picks up his or her call, it means you have wasted your efforts. So make sure that you completely chant 303 times. And the most important thing which you need to keep in your mind is that the photograph of that person should be in front of you while doing this. It can be in your mobile phone, it can be in your laptop, even in your pad, or even a hard copy would do it. And once you have done it, you have got the results. I would request all my viewers to share their experiences with all our viewers, so that other people should know the value and power of this spell. I would request everyone that please do subscribe this channel for latest updates and notifications, because we do get lot of comments that we do not get any idea when you are going to publish the video. So it's better that you subscribe this channel. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask us or call us on the number which is there on your screen, or you can comment in the comment section as well. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.